All right. Well, meteorologist Carson Meredith joins us now. Let's talk about, this weather. It's getting a little out of control.
Those temperatures are doing one of these, and they're doing it quickly.
No snow, though. And the weekend looks great, right?
That's exactly right. And after last weekend, I'm ready for a break in this wild weather on those weekends in particular. But the big headline over the next couple of days is definitely that colder air. Let's show you what's happening on the Wave 31 Skycam network right now, sponsored by Thompson Roofing and Construction. Temperatures right around freezing in many spots. 32 here in Huntsville, also 32 in the Shoals. Same story goes for Decatur. A little bit warmer in Guntersville, but I promise you, Guntersville, you're going to be dropping below freezing here in the next little bit. Still have some of that low cloud cover on those higher ridge tops in northeast Alabama, and as those temperatures drop below freezing, that fog may become freezing fog. So if you are in northeast Alabama, give yourself a couple extra minutes heading out the door for those lower visibilities and some of that drizzle too. Now this is what it feels like with that wind chill. Those winds are howling out of the north and northwest, gusting around 25 miles per hour. So it feels more like 20 degrees in Huntsville right now. It feels like 21 in Decatur, 22 down in Coleman, 23 up in Muscle Shoals, and it feels like 16 degrees in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Make sure you stay warm out there. On the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, we're still watching this pocket of just plain drizzle right now in parts of Marshall, DeKalb, and Cherokee counties. And I say plain drizzle because those temperatures in northeast Alabama are still above freezing. But if that colder air starts to move in while this drizzle is still around, this could become freezing drizzle, which, like freezing fog, could cause a couple of slick spots on those bridges and overpasses. But for most of us, we're just going to be dealing with wet roads and just a nasty Thursday. Temperatures staying in the mid-30s all day long. Really not going to see much change in those actual air temperatures, but you will see a change in just how cold it will feel. By this afternoon, feeling more like the mid-20s, and then by this time Friday morning, those wind chill values back into the low teens once again. Maybe seeing some single-digit readings Friday morning up in Tennessee. And for the rest of your Friday, we're going to do it all over again. Forecast highs in the mid-30s, wind chills feeling more like the mid-20s, and Saturday morning, you bet, more the same. Those wind chills in the low teens, most of North Alabama, maybe a few single-digit readings up in Tennessee. Let's go through future radar. Mostly cloudy skies all day, staying quiet, so that's certainly some welcome news. Let's zoom things out just a little bit. We were talking about that potential winter storm in the Carolinas this weekend. That still looks on track, but notice it will stay to our east. We are not going to have any winter weather impacts in North Alabama this weekend. Maybe a few flurries in Sand Mountain Friday afternoon, but that's about it. But if you are heading to North Carolina, get ready for snow. If you're heading to South Carolina this weekend, get ready for a significant ice storm, unfortunately, for our friends off to the east. And looking ahead to the weekend, hey, the sunshine is back Saturday and Sunday, and those temperatures start to warm up ever so slightly as we head into the weekend. You'll see that here at our 7-day forecast. We're in the mid-30s today and tomorrow, and then we're back into the lower 40s on Saturday, mid to upper 40s by Sunday. So even though we warm up each afternoon, those overnight lows still very cold, right around 20 degrees. Our next big weather maker, that comes on Tuesday with rain and maybe a few snowflakes. Too early for specifics, but we'll keep a close eye on that Tuesday system.